Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Edgefield County in central South Carolina, southwestern Lexington County in central South Carolina, northeastern Aiken County in central South Carolina, southeastern Saluda County in central South Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ridge Spring, or 12 miles southwest of Batesburg-Leesville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Aiken, Lexington, Batesburg-Leesville, Red Bank, South Congaree, Ridge Spring, Aiken Municipal Airport, Pellion, Gilbert, Summit, Monetta, Bundrick Island, Murray, Camp Kennard, New Holland, St. Maria Fire Station, Cedar Pond Campground, Lexington County Airport at Pellion, Fredonia, and Peachtree Rock. This includes Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 19 and 57.